Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And whether you're hosting Thanksgiving at your place for your family or doing a Friendsgiving with your friends, hopefully this Thanksgiving meal planner template will help you with planning who is cooking what and bringing food to the Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving dinner. So this template is actually built by Priyanka from the Coda team. And she talks you through why she built this template in the first place. You can read all about that on the intro section. Whoops, zoomed in there. And if you want to share this template with your friends and family, they can add in what they're going to be cooking for the dinner, and you can see all this information really cleanly in this template. So let's start off by going to sign up to help. So when a new person from your family or friends group goes into this template, they can click on I'm willing to help right here. And you'll notice there's a blank new row up here. I'm going to just say this is going to be Bill. And let's say Bill's duty is to make a dish. And if you are making a dish, let's say I'm Bill, I'm making a dish, I'm going to click on, well, I can first see all the different dishes that people are making in this table. I'm going to click on add a new dish. And let's say, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, I'm going to make stuffing. This is going to be for the main course. I am going to be the chef. And I could maybe insert a link to some kind of recipe I find online, recipes.com/stuffing. I'm not even sure if this goes anywhere. And then you're going to notice that when I click on that button, my now stuffing item shows up under main course. Down here, you're going to see a kind of magazine layout of all the courses, all the items that are being made. I'm going to click on stuffing. And here I can actually add in all the individual ingredients and help I need with making this dish. So let's say an ingredient I want to add is gravy. And I need to have one of these. And the unit is, let's say I need 6 teaspoons. I'm not even sure that's the right amount. Another item might be celery. I like having celery in my stuffing. I want to have, let's say, 6 ounces of celery and buy this from Trader Joe's. Finally, I can click on Add Kitchen Resource. And this is in case I need help or resources from the kitchen, rather. I want to use the oven for 30 minutes and set at 400 degrees. So every person that gets invited to this doc, they can go ahead and add in all the dishes they're making. Well, they first indicate they want to help. They can add in any dish they want to make, as long as it's not being duplicated here in the different courses. And then also the individual ingredients and the resources they need in the kitchen to actually make this dish. Then once everyone adds in all their stuff, you can go click on the full menu, and you'll see the full menu of stuff that everyone's going to make. And this just gives everyone in your group kind of like a good overview of what they should expect when they go to this dinner. Now, if you're the one that's organizing the dinner, you can click on this folder, Organize the Resources, and you can see some more information about how you can make sure this dinner is a success. So you have a timeline here, a menu with details. This is really neat because you can see all the different dish categories that you have or courses, and also see all the individual ingredients and kitchen resources needed for every single item. And this may be too much detail for your friends and family, but if you're the organizer, you probably want to see all this detail. The grocery list is really handy because everyone, again, is adding in the ingredients they need for their dish. And you can see all the ingredients here, and you can basically help people buy the groceries that they've added to the list. And the kitchen resources is a final view of the resources needed for everyone when they want to cook their dish in the oven or use the refrigerator, so you can kind of allocate the space needed for your dinner. And that's the template, and hopefully this will help you with your Thanksgiving dinner next week.